my peeps, how's everyone going today? Janine here again, my peeps, rocking it out for us over 40s. Yes, I am. Now today guys, I wanted to show you what I do to get my glow on. Excuse the voices in the back guys, it's my family. I live with 9 people and it's very annoying. Anyway, yep. So I want to show you guys how I get my glow on. I am wearing something, by the way. I like to get my glow on by tanning myself, self-tanning. And I've been doing this for years. I'm going back to the gym tomorrow guys. I've been off for 2 weeks. I feel like it's really hard to get back into the gym once you have had more than 4 days off. So it's going to be a challenge, but you know, I'll do it. Easy, easy. And it's a must too. It's a must for my health. It's a must for my mental health as well. The gym's been a big part of my transformation. Okay guys, so self-tanning has always been a big part of me. I love it. At the moment I haven't done any tanning for about a month now, maybe a bit longer. Yeah, usually I do it once every 2 weeks. I love the golden glow guys. I love the golden glow, and even though I'm olive, what I use is my Isle of Paradise, and it's beautiful. It's a clear one. You sleep in it. There is no transfer at all onto your bedclothes, sheets or anything like that, and it's perfect, and I love that. I would not go for any other self tanner that stained anything because I'm too OCD for that. I would never ever go there, but this is the best one so far. It actually beats my old one I used to use, which was a James Reed. I love that one too, but I find it goes a little bit orangey. The final color goes a bit too orangey and it looks very fake. That one is perfect. It just gives you that lovely, lovely, lovely glow, which I will show you guys. Isle of Paradise. It also has, if you don't like it, it also has a over it eraser, tan eraser, and that's perfect too because you just spray it on in the shower, stand in the shower for a few minutes, and then you scrub it off. So if you're not liking it or like your color or any reason, just spray that on, it's gone. You can also spray that on too when you're gonna get rid of the old tan. I don't do that. I just use what do I use? So first up guys, what I did tonight, I've had my shower and everything like that. Clarisonic to my skin. I've got to do that every day. And then I use my exfoliating brush and just whoosh, everywhere, neck, legs, everything, right down to my feet guys. Just to get any dead skin off, and that's what you need. So yeah, exfoliating bristle brush. Also comes with a blend it. We've got so many products. This is if you have put your tan on and you can see it's streaky or something like that, you just rub this little stick thing over it, sticky stick, and blend it in. And that's great. I don't really use it. And they've also got a facial one, face drops. I don't really like tanning my face, to be honest, because I find that it just makes it look weird. Sometimes I will, but what I like to do is my body. So I will show you guys how I do that. Okay, my peeps, so first thing to do is to get a little mitt like this. I want to say too, this Isle of Paradise one is much cheaper than the James Reed. I think this was like $50 and it's lasted me, how many times have I worn it? I don't know, 4 or 5 times so far, and I've still got heaps left. And it's like a self-tanning mousse, but I'll show you. So the first thing My peeps, I'm done. I have done everywhere. Done my back, my legs. Okay, my peeps, so I am finished. I am finished my tan. That's the proper light there. I was under that bloody freaking light. But I am finished my tan. Look how white I am. Yeah, shall I put some tan on my face? No. And I'm all sweaty over here from all my serums and my stuff. I'm making myself start back tomorrow, and I thought the perfect motivation would be to get my tan back on. I usually do my tan like every 2 weeks, but all the shit of not sleeping properly and just crap like that, I wanted to feel better. So, but this makes me feel better, you know, that makes me feel better. Having a tan makes me feel better. And yeah, so that's how I get my glow on. I'm very white at the moment. And should I put some glow on my face? No. No. And for me, I can't really sit outside because I'm anemic. Yeah, it's really bad, and it's bad for my hyperpigmentation as well, so that's why I don't. I used to actually do sunbeds, but that's fucking dangerous. Yeah, but I encourage all of my beauties out there who are over 40, like me, to tan it up. It makes you feel good. Honestly, it does when you're tanned. I don't know, it does something to you. It really does. It makes you feel healthy. It makes you feel glowing. On the next day, you need to really moisturize up because it does dehydrate you a little bit, and you don't want your beautiful, beautiful tan to go dry looking. Oh, and lastly, what I do is I won't wear this all night because it's so uncomfortable. It does have a stickiness about it which will dry down. You've just got to get used to that. And yeah, I'm used to it. It's no biggie. What I do is I'll check on one of these dressing yarns here are just too bloomin' fluffy. I've got a thin one. Which I will just put on. And yeah, just, you know, don't put any water on your tan, obviously, on the first night, and just kind of look after it. Like, don't, you know, rub your legs all over the couch and shit like that. I mean, it stays on, but you've got to be smart. And it's awesome. Next thing you popped into bed and you wake up, you'll wake up golden. Yeah, promise. Catch you later, and I will update you in the morning. Good morning, my beautiful peeps. How you all going today? Janine here again, guys. Now, I just wanted to update you on the old tan situation. So this is the next morning, and yes, don't worry, guys, got me damn towel on. So I wanted to show you under this light because that's, oh, it's that damn light. Wrong. Let's go over here. If you can see me, guys, it's lovely, isn't it? It is a golden tan. Beautiful, in fact. I love it. Let me see if I can get a better bloody view. So if you see me, look how gold that is. Isn't that beautiful? It's lovely. And tomorrow it will be even golder than this. But the thing about Olive Paradise is it doesn't go orange. So if you see my look now, it's perfect. Good for some might like it. I love it. And that's the color of it. It's beautiful and gold, no streaks. I'm not gonna lift my arm up because I'm holding my towel, but I will show you my leggies. If I go under this bloody light here, it makes me look extra bloody weird. Yes, guys, so this is my legs over here, and as you can see, you know, very nice. I've gone a bit hard on my feet, so that's me leggies, guys, and the colour is lovely, and as you can see, there's no streaks or anything like that. It's really golden. It doesn't go orange on you. Encourage all my peeps, me over 40s, to get their groove on. and get their tan on, get that glow, guys. Catch you later.